In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Canva email design into Klaviyo. First things first, head over to canva.com and click on the Start Designing or the Sign Up option right here in order to sign up for your account. If you already have one, just proceed to log in. Next, head over right here to your Klaviyo, input right here your email address, and then proceed to sign up by just following the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, just proceed to click on this login option. I already have an account on both of this, so let me head over and then show you it. Here is my dashboard on Klaviyo. Now in here, in order to actually add or import this Canva design that I have, what we can do is we can head over right here to Klaviyo. And then from in there, just go to the Integrations tab. Here it is. After that, click on this Explore Apps. And then this will open the Klaviyo Marketplace. In this part, you just need to head over and search in here for Canva and select the app card from there. Click on the search bar, or you can also see it right there already. Click on this. After that, head over and then click on this install option right here that will appear. Just wait for this to successfully install. Once you have successfully connected them, just head over and click on the share option. And then from in there, scroll down and click on this see all. You can scroll right here and you can see in here some socials, messaging, design, as well as other options. Just locating here the actual option for the Klaviyo. So just click on Klaviyo and after that you should be able to actually open it on Klaviyo right there. And from in here you can successfully connect them and import that Canva email design into our actual homepage and design page for our actual Klaviyo. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.